2018 Ford Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, CD player, trip computer, power windows, power locks, power door locks, satellite radio, rear view camera, power seat, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, dual rear wheels, rain sensing wipers, engine block heater. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.